Angela and David, Wiley's Travel Adventures. So we've just come to do a little vlog in Carlisle city centre of the wonderful Christmas market, which is on twice, this Saturday and next Saturday. So come with us while we have a look, and we'll also have a look at the lights as well. So it's not on the grand scale of like the likes of Manchester and Liverpool and places. So obviously Carlisle city centre is a lot smaller. So we'll start and have a look around the stalls and see what's here. So we've got Cumberland hot dogs. I'm always going the wrong way with that. Cumberland hot dogs. And we've got hot dog regular is £4 and hot dog large is £5.50. And of course people get in the way all the time, but you can't be helped. And this is like fudge and jams and things. You have a photo opportunity there. Big Christmas bauble where you get your picture taken. It's been a very wet day today, so I think some of the stalls have packed in already. Well, let's see what we've got over here, shall we? There you go, fancy having him sitting in your house. So you got little ornaments over there. Sort of jumpers and hats and things on this stall.
Okay. If I don't see it, I'll see it.
This is some clocks over here, and some beer mats and some coasters. Have to keep looking where David is because he lurks behind. See, a lot of places have packed in with a bit, maybe he's come down a bit late. We thought we'd come down and have a look at the Christmas lights as well. So you can understand it because it's been raining all day. You can understand why they're packing in early. That's like signs and glassware, painted glassware and things like that. Scarves and knitted wear and things, knitted animals. And you've got some handbags here. Oh, keep going the wrong way, I must get used to that. Keep going the wrong way, and there's some footwear. And what else is there down here? Like a wee jewellery store there. I have to speak loudly because there's music playing in the background. We don't want to get copyrighted again. Just means you can't make money on the videos, but I can't anyways because I haven't got enough subscriptions yet. So we've got another jewellery store here. Oh, noisy doggy. got a candy floss stall for the kiddos over here. And basically that's your lot. You got a wee bar over there in the tent. And then you've got one children's ride at the far end. It's we've seen it better, haven't we, David?
Yeah.
We've seen it a lot better.
Yeah, we've seen it a lot better, but at least it's something.
At least it's, yeah, better than nothing. There is something there.
He's only 13, you know, that big one.
It's got something to come and have a look at.
Yeah. So it's not dark enough really yet to see the lights. So we'll just have a wander about and then see them in Carlisle. There's meant to be one fairy lights in the trees, but they don't seem to be working for some reason. So we'll go into the main hub and have a look at the lights in there. So we're in the main area now. Everything's packed up. And these are the lights. They're all golden white, aren't they?
There's a Christmas tree over there.
Oh yeah, we'll go and have a look at the Christmas tree. They're all the same colour, gold and white. I prefer
5 o'clock.
5 o'clock. I prefer multicoloured lights, but everybody's different, I suppose. So we'll go and have a look at the Christmas tree. And this here is like a photo op. So we'll have a walk through it. I think we're in Blackpool. I think we'll just pretend we're in Blackpool going through here. And there's the tree. So we'll have a look around here.
You wouldn't mind.
So all the stalls are packing up now.
Merry Christmas, Carlisle.
Merry Christmas, Carlisle.
Happy day.
Happy days. And here's a snowman.
And the sledge.
Snowman on a sledge. There you go, I've just swapped over to my phone because my SD card's full again. I must get a bigger SD card for that camera. Anyways, that's the snowman on his sleigh. So we'll just have a look up here and basically that's a little alleyway. It's got lights on up there. We've got a singer on in the bar here. And I better speak loud just in case we don't want to be copyrighted with the song. Might probably not do, but you never know, we'll just speak dead loud. I'm going to shout at you, David, because I don't want to be copyrighted. So there you go. So basically, that is about it really for Carlisle's lights. What time does this shop shut? This is a new shop. I'll go and have a look in this shop a minute. So that's us coming to the end of the lights now. So we're going to go through the Lane shopping centre and show you the lights in there before we go back home. That's even the rides packed in. You see the lights down there. That's Marks and Spencer's lights. You see the lights when we come down the way again. So this is the Lane shopping centre we're going through now. I'll show you the lights in here. Always have nicer lights in here than the town centre. Huh? Or the city centre, should I say. Santa's grotto over there.
Santa's grotto in.
A lot of closed down shops. Wouldn't have been able to get stirred along here this afternoon, so it's probably a good time to come down actually. So there you have our little whistle stop tour of the market and the lights. We're going into card shop. If we can. So if you enjoyed this video, I know it's only a short one this time, please like and subscribe. We do need lots of subscriptions, please. It'd mean the world if we could carry on with this channel.
And it's free.
And it's free, David says. And we want to continue to travel in 2026. We have got a trip coming up in January to Benidorm, and we're going to be staying in a different hotel. We're going to be staying in the Flamingo Oasis Hotel, so that should be good. We're just going for my birthday, so we're looking forward to that, aren't we, David?
Yep, sure.
All inclusive.
A bit of heat.
A bit of heat, because last January it was lovely through the day. A bit chilly at night, but it was lovely through the day. And we're hoping for a repeat performance.
Exactly.
So yeah, please like and subscribe. We only do it for a bit of fun and to show you what we get up to when we go travelling and things. Yeah, so that is it. So we'll see you on the next one. I think next Saturday we might be going to a different Christmas market. Maybe it's down to my own hometown in Hexham. We don't know yet. We'll see how it goes next week for work-wise and things. But yeah, that's it for today. So that's it, David. Yeah.
That's it, yep.
So we'll see you all in the next video. Bye for now.
Have a good night. Day.